If you're in these jobs, you might need to start updating your resume. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered which jobs artificial intelligence will replace in the near future? Today, we dive deep into this topic, exploring the industries and roles most at risk of AI disruption. Get ready for a fascinating journey into the world of AI and its impact on the job market. Before we jump into the specific jobs that AI is set to replace, it's important to understand how widespread AI adoption is already reshaping various industries. From customer service to healthcare, finance to creative fields, AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's a present reality. Let's take a closer look at the sectors most at risk and explore how AI is transforming these roles. Customer service. AI technology such as chatbots and virtual assistants is transforming the customer service landscape. These AI systems can handle routine inquiries, provide personalized support, and streamline customer interactions across various channels. For instance, businesses are integrating AI-powered chatbots into their websites and messaging platforms, enabling 24/7 customer support and improving response times. As a result, traditional customer service roles focused on basic inquiries and support tasks are at risk of being replaced by AI solutions. Finance sector. The finance industry is experiencing significant AI adoption, particularly in areas like data analysis, risk management, and fraud detection. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of financial data with speed and accuracy, enabling organizations to make data-driven decisions and mitigate risks effectively. For example, AI-powered algorithms can analyze market trends, identify investment opportunities, and manage portfolios, reducing the reliance on human analysts for these tasks. As AI continues to evolve, roles involving data analysis, financial planning, and basic market research may face displacement or transformation. Healthcare industry. AI technologies are revolutionizing healthcare by improving patient care, diagnosis accuracy, and operational efficiency. AI-powered tools, such as medical imaging algorithms, predictive analytics, and virtual health assistants, are enhancing healthcare delivery and decision-making. For instance, AI systems can analyze medical images to detect anomalies, assist in diagnosis, and recommend treatment options. Additionally, virtual health assistants powered by AI can provide patients with personalized healthcare information, appointment scheduling, and medication reminders. While AI enhances healthcare outcomes, it may impact roles like medical imaging technicians, administrative staff, and certain diagnostic specialists. Transportation and logistics. The transportation and logistics industry is embracing AI to optimize supply chain management, route planning, and logistics operations. AI-powered algorithms can analyze data from sensors, GPS devices, and inventory systems to optimize transportation routes, reduce delivery times, and minimize costs. For example, AI systems can predict demand, manage inventory levels, and automate warehouse operations, leading to improved efficiency and cost saving. As AI-driven automation expands, roles in transportation logistics, warehouse operations, and supply chain management may undergo transformation or displacement. Retail and e-commerce. AI is reshaping the retail and e-commerce sectors by personalizing customer experiences, optimizing inventory management, and enhancing marketing strategies. AI-powered recommendation engines analyze customer data to provide personalized product recommendations, leading to increased sales and customer satisfaction. Additionally, AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants assist customers with inquiries, orders, and support, improving overall service quality. Furthermore, AI algorithms can analyze sales trends, predict demand, and optimize pricing strategies, driving revenue growth and operational efficiency. However, traditional retail roles, such as sales associates and inventory managers, may face changes or reductions due to AI-driven automation. Each of these industries is at the forefront of AI adoption, leveraging technology to improve efficiency, enhance decision-making, and deliver innovative solutions. While AI offers numerous benefits, its rapid advancement raises questions about the future of work and the potential impact on job roles across various sectors. Adaptation, upskilling, and embracing AI as a complement to human capabilities are key strategies for navigating the evolving job landscape in the AI era. As AI technology continues to evolve and demonstrate its value across industries, we can expect its adoption to accelerate further, potentially reshaping job markets and creating new opportunities while displacing certain traditional roles. The key lies in understanding these trends, upskilling for the AI era, and embracing AI as a tool for augmentation rather than replacement. Join us as we explore these topics and uncover strategies for navigating the evolving job landscape in an AI-driven world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the upcoming impact of AI in the job market. Remember, the future of work is dynamic and adaptation is key. Stay informed, stay curious, and stay ahead in the AI era. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on our channel. Until next time.